Hello friends! In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to crochet a dolphin easy pattern for beginners. This little sea animal is about 9 centimeters and can be used as a click-clack toy, as a keychain, or if you put a magnet inside it as a fridge magnet. If you want to use it as an applique crochet dolphin, make only one side and continue directly with the second part of the video. To crochet this clicker dolphin, I used 3-ply yarn number 3, 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, 7 millimeters eyes, and 5 centimeters hair clip. If you can't handle abbreviations, please turn on the subtitles button. We'll start this free crochet sea animal pattern with a slip knot. Chain 14. In third chain from the crochet hook, do 2 half double crochet stitches. Next, do 1 half double crochet stitch. Do 3 double crochet stitches. Do 2 triple crochet stitch. Do 3 double crochet stitches. Do 1 half double crochet stitch. In last chain, do 5 half double crochet stitches. Now we will work on the other side of the chains, and we'll do 1 half double crochet stitch. Do 3 double crochet stitches. Do 2 triple crochet stitch. Do 3 double crochet stitches. Do 1/2 double crochet stitch. In last one, do 2 half double crochet stitches. Now we will end this piece with an invisible join on top of first stitch. Instead of this, you can do 1 slip stitch and fasten off. Hide the tail of yarn and make a second piece, repeating the pattern until the join part, but don't fasten off. For the second piece, join with 1 slip stitch on top of first stitch. Now, take both pieces, put them back to back, and work inserting the crochet hook in both. Do 6 slip stitches. Chain 4. In second chain from the crochet hook, do 1 single crochet stitch. In next one, do 2 half double crochet stitches. In next one, do 2 double crochet stitches. Skip 1 stitch on the body, then do 1 slip stitch in next one. Do 2 half double crochet stitches. Do 3 double crochet stitches. Do 2 half double crochet stitches. Chain 3. In second chain from the crochet hook, do 1 slip stitch. In next one, do 2 single crochet stitches. Back on body, do 13 slip stitches. Don't forget to insert the hair clip if you want to make this dolphin a clicker. Chain 7. Starting with second chain from the crochet hook, do 3 half double crochet stitches. Chain 4. Starting with second chain from the crochet hook, do 3 half double crochet stitches. In next one, do 2 single crochet stitches. Next, do 1 half double crochet stitch. Next, do 1 double crochet stitch. Skip 1 stitch on the body, then do 1 slip stitch in next one and fasten off. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today, and don't forget that if you want to support my work, you can like and hype the video to help me in the YouTube algorithm so that this little dolphin reaches as many people as possible. Hide the tail of yarn, add the eyes, and you are done. Thanks for watching and see you soon.